everyone, welcome to TriRad. This is Pack 365. Today, in this session, you are going to learn about consumer behavior. Consumer learning. It is the process through which consumers acquire knowledge, attitudes, and experiences about products or brands through interactions, observation, and marketing communication. For example, if a person buys a phone and it works well, they learn to trust that brand. But if a product gives a bad experience, they learn to avoid that brand in the future. Consumer learning is very important for marketers because it helps them influence customer preferences and buying decisions. Classical conditioning. It is a learning process where consumers develop a positive response to a product or brand because it is associated with something they already like. It is based on association. For example, a soft drink advertisement may show friends enjoying a party, fun music, or happiness and excitement. When consumers repeatedly see these ads, they begin to associate the brand with happiness and fun. Companies use classical conditioning through celebrity endorsements, emotional advertisements, attractive visual and music, and happy or exciting scenes. Operant conditioning. It occurs when consumers learn behavior through rewards or punishments after performing an action. Consumers repeat behavior that gives positive results and avoid behavior that gives negative experiences. Observational learning. It occurs when consumers learn by watching the behavior or experiences of other people. Consumers observe friends, family members, influencers, celebrities, and online reviewers. Then they decide whether to buy the product or not. Companies collaborate with influencers, bloggers, content creators because people learn about products by observing others' experiences. Learning through advertising and digital media. Advertising and digital media play a major role in educating and influencing consumers about products. Consumers learn through online advertisements, social media content, digital campaigns, brand websites, and online reviews. Digital media helps consumer learning by information sharing, which is where companies provide product details, features, and benefits, product demonstrations where videos show how a product works, customer reviews, the people read other consumers' experiences before buying, interactive marketing, which means consumers can ask questions, comment, and engage with brands. Digital consumer behavior. It refers to how people behave when they use the internet or digital platforms to search, compare, evaluate, and purchase products or services. Earlier, consumers visited physical stores to buy products, but now most consumers use smartphones, websites, mobile apps, social media, and e-commerce platforms before making a purchase decision. The entire process is called digital customer behavior. The platforms involved in digital consumer behavior are websites, mobile apps, social media, e-commerce platforms, online advertisements, and review websites. Because of this change, digital marketing plays a major role in influencing customers. Online consumer behavior. It focuses on how consumers have while using the internet to gather information and purchase products. Consumers usually go through several stages before buying something online. The first one is problem recognition. Consumer realizes a need. The second one is information search. Consumers search online for information. The third stage is evaluation of alternatives. The comparing different brands or products. The fourth stage is purchase decision, where they choose what to buy and where to buy. The fifth stage and last stage is post-purchase behavior, writing reviews or sharing the experiences. The key factors influencing online behavior are price, brand reputation, website usability, delivery time, and online reviews. E-commerce buying and patterns. E-commerce buying patterns describe how consumers purchase products from online stores or digital marketplaces. It studies when, how, and why people buy online. The common online buying patterns are price-sensitive buying, which is consumers compare prices across multiple websites before buying. Convenience buying. The consumers prefer online shopping because it saves time. Discount-driven buying. Many customers buy products only when sales or offers are available. Mobile shopping. Many purchases are now done using smartphones rather than computers. Influence of reviews and ratings. Online reviews and ratings play a major role in shaping consumer decisions. Before purchasing, many customers read feedback from other users to understand the product quality. The reviews are important because it builds trust, product quality understanding, risk reduction, and improves brand credibility. Social media influence on purchasing. It has become powerful tools that influence consumer buying decisions. Consumers spend many hours daily on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. Because of this, brands promote products through these websites or platforms. The ways social media influence consumers are influencer marketing. People trust recommendations from influencers. Social proof. When many people like, share, or comment on a product, others believe it is good. Targeted advertising. Social media platforms show ads based on user interest, search history, and online behavior. Product discovery. Consumers often discover new products through social media posts or ads. This shows how social media drives purchasing behavior. Consumer behavior in social media. It refers to how people discover, interact with, evaluate, and purchase products using social media platforms. Today, many consumers do not directly search for products on websites. Instead, they discover products while scrolling social media. The popular platforms include Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Social media has become an important marketing channel for businesses because millions of people spend several hours daily on these platforms. Social media is powerful for marketing because social media has become a strong marketing channel because of large audience, high engagement, targeted advertising, and influencer impact. Because of these reasons, many brands invest heavily in social media marketing. Influencer marketing impact. It means promoting products through individuals who have a large and loyal following on social media. Influencers create content such as product reviews, tutorials, lifestyle posts, and recommendations. These influencers influence their followers' purchasing decisions. Influencers are effective because they share personal experiences, provide honest opinions, appear relatable to followers, and communicate in a casual and engaging way. Compared to traditional advertisements, influencer promotions feel more authentic and less promotional. How influencers affect consumer behavior. It introduces new products to followers. Influencers help brands introduce new product to a large audience quickly. This helps consumers learn about the product before purchasing. Demonstrate how products work. Influencers often show how to use products in real life. This helps consumers understand product features and benefits clearly. Provide personal reviews and experiences. Influencers share their personal opinions and experience with products. This makes the review feel more trustworthy. Create trends and brand awareness. Influencers often start new trends that spread quickly across social media. Social proof and user generated content. Social proof is the idea that people often follow the actions, opinions, or behaviors of others when making decisions. When consumers see many people using or recommending a product, they feel more confident about buying it. This happens because people believe that if many others trust a product, it must be a good product. User generated content. It refers to content created by consumers instead of the brand itself. This content can include photos, videos, reviews, social media posts, and blog posts. User generated content is powerful because it shows real experiences of real users. It is important for businesses because it builds trust, it gives free promotions, increases brand visibility, and encourages community engagement. Brand engagement on social platforms. It refers to how consumers interact and communicate with brands through social media platforms. Instead of only seeing advertisements, consumers now actively interact with brands online. These interactions help brands build relationships with customers, understand customer preferences, and improve products and services. Higher engagement usually means stronger brand loyalty. The engagement activities include liking and sharing posts, commenting on brand content, participating in polls or contests, and messaging brands directly. Consumer behavior analytics. Consumer behavior analytics refers to the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data about consumers to understand how they behave when interacting with products, services, or brands online. Today, businesses use data analytic tools to track customer activities such as website visits, online search, product views, purchase behavior, and social media interactions. By analyzing this data, companies can improve marketing strategies, enhance customer experience, and increase sales. Data-driven consumer insights. This means understanding customers based on actual data rather than assumptions. Companies collect data from different sources such as websites, mobile apps, social media platforms, online purchases, and customer feedback. This data helps business understand what products customers prefer, when customers are most active online, which marketing campaigns work best, and what influences purchasing decisions. The importance of data-driven insights are it helps businesses understand customer needs, improves marketing campaigns, enhances customer experience, and increases conversion rates and sales. Google Analytics for behavior analysis. It is one of the most widely used tools for analyzing website visitor behavior. It helps marketers understand how users interact with a website. Google Analytics tracks information such as number of website visitors, pages visited by users, time spent on each page, and traffic sources, user location, and device type. Google Analytics are used in businesses because it understands website performance, identify popular content, improves user experience, and optimize marketing campaigns. Customer journey tracking. Customer journey tracking refers to monitoring and analyzing the entire process a consumer goes through before and after purchasing a product. It helps businesses understand how customers move through different stages of interaction with a brand. The stages of customer journey are: the first stage is awareness. Customers first learn about the product through ads or social media. The second one is consideration. Customers research the product and compare options. The third stage is purchase. Customer decides to buy the product. And the fourth stage is post-purchase interaction. Customer writes reviews, shares feedback, or recommends the product. The importance of consumer behavior analytics help businesses understand customer preferences, personalize marketing messages, improve product recommendations, increase customer satisfaction, and boost online sales. Many companies now use artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze consumer behavior more accurately. Consumer satisfaction and post-purchase behavior. Post-purchase behavior refers to the actions of and feelings a consumer experience after purchasing a product or a service. After buying something, consumers usually evaluate whether the product met their expectations or not. This evaluation determines whether they feel satisfied, dissatisfied, or uncertain about the purchase. Businesses carefully study this stage because it affects customer loyalty, reviews, and future purchases. Customer satisfaction. It occurs when a product or service meets or exceeds the expectations of the consumer. If the product performs well, the customer feels happy and satisfied. But if the product does not meet the expectation, the customer feels disappointed or dissatisfied. Customer satisfaction is very important because satisfied customers are more likely to continue buying from the same brand. The importance of customer satisfaction is encourages repeat purchases. When customers are satisfied with a product, they are more likely to buy the same product again or purchase other products from the same brand. Builds positive brand reputation. Satisfied customers usually share their positive experiences with others. Increases customer loyalty. Customers loyalty means customer continuing choosing the same brand instead of switching to competitors. Leads to positive recommendations. Satisfied customers often recommend the product through word of mouth marketing. Word of mouth is very powerful because people trust friends and families' recommendations more than advertisements. Cognitive dissonance. It refers to the feeling of doubt, confusion, or regret a consumer experiences after making a purchase decision. Customer loyalty. It refers to the tendency of consumers to continuously purchase products from the same brand over time. Loyal customers trust the brand and are less likely to switch the competitors. Word of mouth and online reviews. Word of mouth occurs when satisfied customers share their experiences and recommend products to others. Today, word of mouth has expanded into online reviews, rates, and social media feedback. The importance of word of mouth is it builds trust and credibility. It also influences new customers' decisions and helps brands gain organic promotion. Ethical and responsible consumer behavior. Sustainable consumption. It means using products and services in a way that minimizes environmental impact and preserves resources for future generations. Consumers practicing sustainable consumption try to reduce waste and choose environmentally friendly products. Green marketing influence. It refers to the promotion of environmentally friendly products and sustainable business practices. Ethical purchasing decisions. Ethical purchasing occurs when consumers consider moral and social values while buying products. Consumers may prefer brands that follow fair trade practices, ethical labor standards, and cruelty free production. Future trends in consumer behavior. AI driven personalization. It uses artificial intelligence and data analytics to provide personalized product recommendations and marketing messages to consumers. Voice search shopping. It allows consumers to search for and purchase products using voice commands through digital assistants. Augmented reality shopping experiences. It allows consumers to visualize products in real life environments before purchasing them using smartphones or other digital devices. Hyper personalized marketing. Hyper personalized marketing goes beyond basic personalization by using advanced data analytics, artificial intelligence, and real time customer data to deliver highly customized marketing messages. Now, let's have a quick summary. Consumer learning refers to the process by which Consumers gain knowledge and experience about products through advertising, personal experience, and observation, which influences their future purchasing behavior. Digital consumer behavior focuses on how consumers search, compare, and purchase products online through websites, mobile apps, and e-commerce platforms. Consumer behavior in social media explains how social platforms influence buying decisions through influencers, user-generated content, reviews, and brand interactions. Consumer behavior analytics involves using data and analytical tools to understand customer actions, preferences, and purchasing patterns to improve marketing strategies. Consumer satisfaction and post-purchase behavior refers to how customers evaluate a product after buying it, which can lead to customer loyalty, repeat purchases, or negative feedback if expectations are not met. Ethical and responsible consumer behavior reflects consumers' growing concern for environmental sustainability, fair trade, and ethical business practices when making purchasing decisions. Future trends in consumer behavior highlight the increasing role of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, voice search, augmented reality, and hyper-personalized marketing, which are shaping more personalized and interactive consumer experiences in modern markets. So with this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you.